Hey credit cousins, it's your girl designer Soapbox and I am back with another banger video. In today's video, I will be answering some of your Navy Federal questions about the product change method. The product change method has been a very talked about method amongst our credit cousins, and I think it's a really great service that Navy Federal Credit Union offers to its members. But it's something that if you're not subscribed to this channel and clicking that notification bell to get notified about the next updates, you might just never know about it, or you may be too late to the game, but it's okay. The service that they offer is here if you're watching now, but make sure you click the notification bell and subscribe so that you'll know more details about it, because it could be gone away the next day. So don't forget to subscribe. The more you interact with these tips and tricks, the more determined I am to go out and to look for more for you credit cousins. So with that being said, let's go ahead and answer some of the questions about the product change method. So hopefully most of you already know about the product change method with Navy Federal, but if you don't, make sure to watch these videos here where I have created a playlist just for you for the product change method. So question 1, can you do a product change with a credit card over 3 years to the flagship credit card without a hard inquiry? Yes, credit cousin, of course. This is the whole purpose of the product changing, to get a new credit card without going through the application process and waiting for a decision that will ultimately result into a hard inquiry. The product change method does not give you a hard inquiry, and you don't have to go through the application process. The product change does not have a time length requirement you can do on any cards or any older cards except for the flagship, which is 1 year. But since you're already at 3 years, you can product change to any other card. The new updates for the product change is that you can have only 3 product changes per year. So just make sure you keep in mind that that's noted. Question 2, if you product change, do you forfeit the sign-up bonus? Yes and no. You will forfeit the sign-up bonus only if you product change right away from getting approved for a credit card. So for example, let's say you apply for a cash rewards card and the same day you call Navy Federal and want a product change to the Amex credit card. Well, that cash rewards card did have a sign-up bonus where if you waited 90 days and spent a certain amount of dollars, you could have cash back. But because you product change early and within 90 days, or you didn't reach that spending limit, you forfeit that sign-up bonus. And because you're product changing to another credit card with a sign-up bonus, you don't get that sign-up bonus as well. You only get that sign-up bonus if you product change to a platinum Visa signature Navy Federal credit card, and I do have a video on that as well. So make sure you subscribe and check out that playlist. So I would recommend to do the product change after 30 days or whenever you meet your sign-up bonus quota and the current billing statement is over. Then I will product change to another credit card so your sign-up bonus is redeemed into your account and you can cash out or whatever you want to do with those points or cash back, and then you can product change. So another question, I have a Navy Federal Amex, should I product change? So credit cousins, this is entirely up to you. But remember, the product change is a great strategy, but mainly it's to get the high tier credit cards such as the Amex and flagship, which you already have. So if you strongly don't want the Amex, then you'll product change to something else. But remember, the Amex is one of the hardest cards to get approved for at Navy Federal. So if it was me, and this is only if this was me, I would keep the Amex credit card a part of my catalog and do a product change on another credit card if you hold additional credit cards in Navy Federal, and product change that credit card to a high tier credit card. But that's what I would do. Can you product change with the remaining balance? Yes, you can product change to another credit card with a balance. Your balance will just carry over to the new credit card with that outstanding balance, and the new credit card will have the same credit limit as well as your old credit cards. Can you product change from a personal credit card to a business credit card? Well, credit cousins, at this time, you cannot product change from a personal Navy credit card to a business Navy Federal credit card due to the fact that you must have a business account with Navy Federal first. and you will need to apply for the business account in the business credit card with a written application. It is not done online, but in the future, I really hope this will change. So credit cousins, I hope this answers some of your questions about the product change method with Navy Federal Credit Card. Make sure you leave a like on this video, and that will tell me that you are picking up what I'm putting down. And let me know down in the comment section any questions that you may have about the product change method if this is the first time you're hearing about this, but only if you're comfortable so other credit cousins can learn more about it. Remember, this channel is all about learning from each other, and I look forward to your feedback. And don't forget, credit cousins, I love you all. Bye. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, I'm here to let you know that today will be the last day that the Instant Hard Ink Removal Guide will be for sale. So if you haven't got it, please make sure you click the link down in the description below to learn how you can remove your hard inquiries in as little as 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours you can remove your inquiries. So click the link down below in the description box to learn how you can remove your late payments, hard inquiries, collections, charge-offs, and so much more. You don't want to miss out. Hey, are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss?